Hi, good morning. It's 11. I think morning pa naman. On a Tuesday, February 11. Medyo wala akong na-record or na-shoot for my vlog for Monday. Kasi medyo kalma lang, chill day, walang ginawa. Well, I just accompanied my mom nung morning for her doctor's appointment. And then afternoon, umuwi ako sa bahay, did some work, and then just rested kasi wala naman akong pasok ng Monday. Usually, nag-workout ako ng Mondays. Kaya lang, dahil nga may ginawa ako ng morning, I thought, sige, wag na lang. I'll focus. Kasi usually, morning ako nagpe-prepare for my work. And then, sa hapon ako nag-workout. So, ang ginawa ko, binaliktad ko na lang. Morning ako nagkaroon ng time for family. So, sinamahan ko nga si mama. And then, hapon, nag-work na lang ako. I guess, ganun talaga yung life. May mga times na wala namang something special on a day. You just show up, do whatever you can, and do it well. And you know, kung may opportunity na magkaroon ng time for anyone sa family, why not, diba? And that's always good. And yun, so for today, mag-errands lang ako. And time to do some work preparations again, mark some papers, check some papers, and that's it. It's an average day. Nothing significant, nothing special, and like most of us, I would like to believe may mga days na ganun, and it's okay. It doesn't have to be special all the time. Yeah, so that's it. Look. Hey, who's that? Whoa. 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 Hi, just finished some work. Ngayon pauwi na ako, nag-grab lang ako, and yeah, I guess that's it. I have a class later online, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So always happy. Hi, it's almost 5 p.m. I'm on my way to the gym. Magpe-prepare kami to run. Every Friday we run. So this Friday wala akong work. kasi late na ako natapos sa work last night for our 24-hour swimming marathon, which was very successful. So we've been doing this for 3 years sa school, and I was there to supervise yung evening laps ng swimmers. So hindi ako pumasok today, pero now gusto ko naman mag-exercise para may konting physical activity. So that's it. A sweet treat from Mama Luz. Ito naman parang sira, oh. Picture muna daw si tita bago hiwain. Okay, go na, fail. Valentine's. Para daw sa puso mo yan, Liz. Liz, para daw sa puso mo.
Para sa puso ko.
Okay pa ba? Wala pa naman cholesterol.
Healthy yan.
Yes! I think this makes sense. Going home. See you next week.